Hi children, welcome back to the online English classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. Before starting today's class, let me share my happiness that we met through the Google Meet last week. I'm extremely happy and I hope you all are happy because you could meet your friends and your teachers. Today, let us learn the grammar lesson, that is lesson 3, naming words, nouns. What is noun? I know we have already discussed and we had many chapters related to noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea, or a quality. And we have already learned different kinds of noun. Which are they? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. I know you all know about it. So, in this chapter, we will do some activities. This is very interesting chapter. So, let's start today's class. Today, we will discuss section A, B, and C. So, move on to the first section, that is A. On the screen, you can see a word grid on the left side and some questions are there in the right side. The question is, from the above grid, find the hidden names. To find them, you should go either from left to right or from top to bottom. Encircle the words that you have found. So, some questions are there given in the right side. Read the question and find the answer from the word grid. First one has been done for you. The capital of a country, that is Paris. So we can see that word Paris on this grid. Let us see the second question. A state of India. Pause the video and find the answer. Your time starts now. Did you get the answer? Yes, it is Punjab. See the next one. You play with it. Your time starts now. You play with it. Did you get the answer? Yeah, we play with toys. See the fourth question. Mother uses it for hanging clothes. Your time starts now. It is peg. Next question. An dash a day keeps the doctor away. Very simple. Find the answer. What's the answer? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Sixth question. Currency of a country. Find the answer. It is lira. It is the current currency of Turkey. See the seventh question. The biggest star. Very simple. It is sun. So, dear children, we have found 6 names. Punjab is a name of a place. Toy is a name of a thing. Peg is a name of a thing. Apple is a name of a fruit. Lira is a name of a currency. Sun is a name of a star. So these all are names. All naming words are called nouns. and find out the other words by yourself. Move on to the next activity. Write the famous brand names for the given items. Here you can see an image of soap. You need to write the different brand names for the soap. Here you can see an image of different branded soap. Even they have different names, we generally call them as soap. So, soap is the common noun and all other branded names of soap are the proper nouns. For example, Lux, Medimix, Santur, Lifebuoy, etc. There are 4 more activities. First one is find out the different brand names of cold drink, then washing machine, toffees and shoes. Moving on to the next activity, that is C. Give the names of any 5. Here you can see 3 common nouns, rivers, places and persons. You need to find out the names of rivers, places and persons. Let us do the activity. First one is rivers. Yamuna, Ganga and rest 3 find out by yourself. Next one is place names. Delhi and Chennai. Next one is person name. John, Geeta. Dear children, find out other proper nouns. So what is proper noun? The special names that you have added are called the proper nouns. Here, the rivers, places, persons are the common noun. Yamuna, Delhi, John, etc. are the proper nouns. So, what is common noun? Common noun refer to a person, place, thing or animal in general. Then what is proper noun? The special names for a person, place, thing or an animal. For example, soap is the common noun. Medimix, Lifebuoy, Lex are the proper noun. Dear children, here you can see some common nouns and proper nouns we have already discussed. Soap is the common noun. Lux, Medimix, Lifebuoy are the special brand names for the soap. So they are known as proper noun. The next one is cold drink. That is the common noun. Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Sprite are the proper noun. Washing machine is a common noun. LG, Samsung, Whirlpool are the proper noun. Shoes is a common noun. Adidas, Bata, Puma are the proper noun. So students, I hope you all understood what's the difference between common noun and proper noun. Common noun is the name which we are given in general. Proper noun are the special name we are given for a particular common noun. I hope you understood today's class. Some of the activities we have already finished in this class and rest of them complete by yourself. Take your own time, find out the answers. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye.